In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the back buttons on the GameSir G7 SE controller so you can get the most out of your gameplay. These extra buttons can give you faster reactions and more control once you set them up properly. First, connect your GameSir G7 SE to your PC or console. Make sure it's recognized and working normally with your games. To program the back buttons, press and hold the M button on the front of the controller until the light starts flashing. While holding it, press the back button you want to assign, then press the main button you want it to copy. For example, you could map Jump or Reload to the back button for quicker access. Repeat the same process for the other back button. Once both are set, release the M button. The flashing light will stop, and your back buttons are ready to use. These buttons can save you time during intense gameplay by keeping your thumbs on the sticks. Test them out in your favorite game to see the difference. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more controller tips.